Hello everyone, let's get down to the brass tacks now. In this video, we will install the Python OracleDB driver and then create a Python application on Windows to connect to an Oracle database running on premises on a local or remote machine. First up, we need to install Python. The Python OracleDB driver is supported in Python versions 3.7 to 3.10 in Windows now. You can install Python from www.python.org/downloads as you can see from the link here. We can check the Python version in the command prompt using python version. I have installed the version 3.9.6. Next, we will install the Python OracleDB driver. This driver is registered as the OracleDB module in the PyPy or Python package repository. So you will see me using OracleDB or Python OracleDB interchangeably. So don't worry, they are one and the same. Now we can use the pip module along with the Python command to work with Python modules and packages. To check the availability of a particular package, in this case OracleDB, I will use the show command under the pip module. So as you can see, the Oracle DB module is not yet installed. Let's go ahead and install the Oracle DB driver. Again, I will use the pip module with the Python command, but this time I will use the install command under the pip module. Note that it is always advisable to use --upgrade attributes and --user attributes to ensure that the latest Oracle DB package is installed with no access permission problems. So now the Oracle DB driver is successfully installed. A quick tip here, if you're running behind a company proxy or firewall, you have to use the proxy attribute with the pip module to specify the proxy details as shown on the screen. Now let us check if the Oracle DB driver is properly installed. Again, we will use the show command of the pip module. As you can see here, you get all the details of the installed package such as the version, summary, author, etc. Finally, let us run the Python command line and see if we can use the package in Python applications. I'm going to say import Oracle DB and there is no error here, which means that the package can be used in any Python program. Next, ensure that an on-premises Oracle database is ready for use. There are a lot of articles, documentation, and videos out there on the internet that show how to download and install different editions of Oracle database locally on Windows. If you have a remote database already running, you can use its network alias, user credentials, and wallet files if required to connect to it. On Windows, the Oracle database is installed as a service. As you can see from my services console, I have installed Oracle Database version 21C in my local machine and got it up and running. So the database connection details are present in the tnsnames.ora network configuration file that you can see here. This file is usually available in the network/admin directory of the Oracle Home main folder or directory. So the Oracle Home directory is the location where your database or client libraries and configuration files are present. This directory is created when the database or client libraries are installed on your machine. Now, Oracle Database introduced the multi-tenant architecture from 12c version onwards, which includes container databases or CDBs and pluggable databases or PDBs. There will only be a single CDB in an installation, which includes all the admin configuration, system view, system tables, and other system database objects. And there will be 0 or more PDBs. So in my case, ORCL21 is the CDB and ORCL PDB is the PDB. The PDB acts as the regular database for applications and services to work with. I'm going to use this ORCL PDB pluggable database for my application that you will see later. So I will be basically using the connection details of my PDB, which will include the host name, the port name, and the service name. So all in all, make sure that an Oracle database is up and ready for use. So finally, we have the Python application that will connect to the Oracle database. You can use your favorite text editor like Notepad++ or an IDE like Visual Studio Code in Windows. I use Visual Studio Code because of its ease of use, low configuration requirements, and the availability of extensions for running any program in any programming language quickly. Now I have created this application called connect.py to connect to the Oracle database that you saw earlier. So in the application code, we start off with the import section where we specify all the external modules and packages required for running the program. So you first import the Oracle DB module, then you import the getPass module that is used to get the password securely from the user. Next, we specify the username and the connect string. It is recommended that you do not hard code these user credentials or the connect credentials, but I have done this for the demo purposes here. We will get the password from the user input through the getPass module. Now that we have all the user and database configuration attributes ready, we will pass all these attributes to the connect function to create a connect object. When a connection object is created successfully, we can use it to access and work with data in the Oracle database. In this case, we are just going to get the database version. So let me just quickly run this program. As you can see, I need to provide the database password and I'm able to get the database version. So with that, we have successfully created a connection object by connecting to the Oracle database on premise.
In the next video, we will create a Python app on Windows to connect to an Oracle Cloud Autonomous Database using Python-oracledb. See you then. Take care.